Good morning friend. We are discussing about the Vision IS 5 question. Let's discuss the first question. But before discussing this question, I want to discuss the one question that is from the previous section, but I could not discuss yesterday. I today discussed. Let's see the question. Just a minute. That is the objective resolution that is related to the polity section, in which they are asking which of the following principles that are included into the objective resolution itself, so that we can have a higher context of dealing the things not only in the international arena but also the national arena itself. Next, the first, second, third, all statements are correct, which they are saying pass and the authority of the independent India and its constitution shall from the people. So why, if you are see the preamble of Indian Constitution, in which the first line itself is indicated, we are the people of India. See, so the power and authority are given from the people itself to making of the Constituent Assembly or the Constitution of India itself. Next, the minority and other backward classes. Yes, it is a significant and important aspect of the Indian Constitution. In, for example, Article 29 and 30, in which we are giving right to them so that they can preserve their history, script, language, etc. And the culture also. India will make full and willing contribution. Yes, that is the at the earliest stage itself. And in Article 51A, we clearly define the international peace. We are pursuing the international peace and become the part of the United Nations Treaty, etc. by this provision itself. And the Korean War, we are play important role, but we are not recognized as we did. We should be. It means at that point of time. Let's see the answer. All three are correct. What reason is given? Let's see the following were included in the objective resolution as passed by the Constituent Assembly. For example, India is an independent sovereign republic. All power and authority of independent India and its own constitution shall taken from the people itself. Summary of objective resolution is like that. India shall be the union of erstwhile British India territory, Indian state and other part outside British India and Indian state are willing to be part of the union. So next, the treaty forming the union shall be autonomous unit. They have some type of federalism structure should be included in this, and exercise all power and function of the government and administration except those assigned to a vested in the union. For example, Schedule 7 you can take, in which the union, concurrent and state list are made. All power and authority of the sovereign and independent India and its constituent shall taken from the people itself. So that is the main constituent and the main part of the Indian Constitution, where people, even one case is there, that is Barburi case, in which one person is questioning this clause, that how, when we are not born at that point of time when the constitution is made, then how we can faith in them, we should be made another. So Supreme Court decree on them. You studied in the Lakshmikant itself about this case. All people of India shall be guaranteed and secured social, economic and political justice. For example, if you take the fundamental right part, third part, fourth of the constitution, that is given in them or enshrined in them. Equality of the status and opportunity and equality before law. Article 14, fundamental freedom. Article 19, of speech and expression. Belief, faith, worship, that is 25 to 28. Vocational association and action, that is in the 19 clause F. Subject to law and public morality, that is important part, in which 19 clause 2 are added, in which there is some type of restriction is there so that other people can enjoy their right. That's the whole main purpose of the thing. The minority, backward and the tribal area, 29 30, schedule 5th and 6th are included, these type of backwardness people there, so that they can have an authority over their right, so that we can appreciate the diversity around us. Depressed and other backward classes shall be provided adequate safeguards. So you know very well, reservation policy also be there. The treaty, the territorial integrity of the republic and its sovereign right on the land, sea and air shall be maintained according to justice and law of civilized nation. So that is the thing that are included in the Article 1, 2, 4. The land would make a full and willing contribution as per Article 51. We try to make it. So that is the type of the objective resolution that are given by the Jawaharlal Nehru when the Constituent Assembly is made. I think 13th December is the date there, 1946. Let's see the question. First question of today. First question is related to the which of the following countries share border with Italy. So Italy is in news, so that's why the reason give the question there. Before I am discussing the Italy, we first see the map there. See, that is our India. That is our India. Just a minute. And the Pakistan, Afghanistan, and then Iran, Iraq, Syria, Turkey, and then that is the Western Europe. There is a small country as Croatia, Czech Republic, early Yugoslavia you can say, and then there is Italy. Italy capital is Rome and population you can see there. So that is the thing from the point of view of this state we can reach the Italy. Let's see the nearby state. There is the Portugal and its capital is Lisbon. Here is the Spain, capital is Madrid. Here is the France, capital is Paris, and there is Italy, and here is the France. There are type of a small island of France itself, and their capital is Paris. There, then is the Belgium, Brussels. Then there Netherlands, Amsterdam, and Greenpeace headquarters lies in Amsterdam. Next is Germany. Germany capital is Berlin. Here is the Switzerland. Switzerland capital is Bern, and it is a landlocked country. Right. Next is the Australia. Their capital is Vienna. International Energy Agency headquarters lies in there. And for example, OPEC quarter is there, and ICC quarter also we found there. Many headquarters is there. Czech Republic, that's their capital is Prague. Here is the Portugal. Their capital is the Warsaw, and that is the Moldova. That's capital is Chisinau. So that is the nearby state. You see the location there. Here is the Croatia. Okay, Slovenia. Ljubljana is the capital. Here is the Croatia. Zagreb is the capital. Here is the Bosnia and Herzegovina is the capital. Let's see the question there. As you know, our earth is goal, the round shaped or the oblate shaped, in which the India is here India, here is the Pakistan, here is the Afghanistan, there is Iran, there is Turkey, and here is Iraq, and there is a small country, there is the Syria that I wanted to show. Here is Greece, and here Bulgaria, etc., so that you can see there the big. So let's discuss the option there. For example, Germany, France, Australia, Switzerland, and Greece. And so option in front of your second, third, fourth, fifth, first, fourth, fifth, first, second, third, fourth, second, third, and fourth. I again talk about the question and the option: Germany, France, Austria, Switzerland, Greece. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the polity section, in which you can correlate it with the basic structure of the Indian Constitution that is given by the Supreme Court itself. So second statement is said, which of the following element from a part of the basic structure of the Constitution as laid down by the various court judgments. So you asking about the which type of the court judgment, what type of things are referred by the Supreme Court to giving the basic structure, because they have some type of a reference to make, otherwise it may be a arbitrary action from the organ of the state, that is the judiciary. So first statement, they are talking about the secular character of the Constitution. Second, separation of the power between the legislation, the executive. Number third is socialist type of a state. Number fourth, the principle of reasonableness. There should not be an arbitrariness that are on the part of the executive that has a government and the great machinery power when they are in power. So let's discuss the next question. Next question is related to the section of the geography, in which Tibetan plateau is an example of which of the following. So the first is tectonic plate. Are they made there? That is the tectonic plateau, intermount plateau, and lowest plateau. So you have to choose the correct option from there. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the art and culture, in which they are asking about the religious text in India. For example, Uttaradhyanam Sutra, and the text belong to which of the following? That is the Jainism, Buddhism, Vaishnavism, and Shaivism. I again repeated with reference to the religious text in India. The Uttardhyana Sutra text belongs to which? Jainism, Buddhism, there is a Vaishnavism and Shaivism, that is correlated with the Hinduism, you can say. Let's discuss the next question. Next question is related to the history section. Born in 1845 in Bombay, so it is the time of the period in which they are asking about the medieval, before the 1857 war of independence. He came under the Dadabhai Naoroji influence while studying law in London during the 1860s. He was one of the founders of the Bombay Presidency Association. From about the middle of the 1890s till his death in 1915, he was dominant figure in the Indian National Congress. He was a powerful debate and was also involved in organizing the first walkout in the legislative history of India. So you have to choose the correct option from there. So I again repeated the question. That is the kind of a storytelling type of question, and the hint in the form of given is the Bombay Presidency Association. He was one of the founder of the Bombay Presidency Association. Born in 1845 in Bombay. He was under the Dadabhai Naoroji influence while studying law in London during the 1860s. He was one of the founders of the Bombay Presidency Association. From about the middle of 1890s till his death in 1915, he was a dominant figure in the Indian National Congress. He was a powerful debater and was also involved in organizing the first walkout on the legislative history of India. So you have the correct option from there. That is, first option is Bipin Chandra Pal. Second is Firoz Shah Mehta. Number third, R.C. Dutt. Number fourth is S.G. Subramaniam Iyer. Let's see the next question. Next question is the answer of the first question. Okay, which of the following countries are bordered with Italy? Germany? No, that is not bordered there. So that is not there. So first is not there. So C is not there. B is not there. France is there. Australia, I talk it about. That is also be there. Switzerland बिल्कुल पास में था. Australia, Switzerland, then Italy, Greece also there here, and Germany is there. यहाँ पे Brazil था, Netherlands, type of these things, right? So second, third, and fourth are correct. Let's see. It is located in the South Central Europe, and it is also considered a part of the Western Europe. A unitary parliamentary system are followed in this country, and its capital is Rome basically. The country cover a total area of 301. Okay, that is the thing here. Which of the share border, for example, France, Switzerland, Austria, Slovenia, and enclaved microstate of the Vatican City in this country itself. So second, third, fourth statement are correct. Journal is not there. Italy has a territorial enclave in Switzerland, Champagne, and maritime enclave in Tunisian waters. So there is a type of a border dispute between the maritime and with Switzerland part. With around 80 million inhabitants, Italy is the third most populous member state of the European Union as of 21. So that is the case there. And first is whom? That is Germany, then France, and then Italy. Next question. For example, basic structure of the Indian Constitution. So I think all these things are referred by the Supreme Court. First, second, fourth. Okay. Secular character of the Indian Constitution. Separation of the power between the legislative and the executive. So that is the type of the reference that they are using, whether the executive has overreached their power or not. There is the principle of reasonableness. Whenever you try to give some type of a policy, then you should be give what is the reason behind the same, whether it be applicable, whether it benefited the political power that are in power. So first, second, and fourth are correct. Let's see. The doctrine of the basic structure of the Indian Constitution was laid down through the Keshwananda Bharati case versus the state of Kerala. Based on the various judgment of the court, the following are the some of the element included in the basic structure of the Indian Constitution, and it is based on the case by case cases. Supremacy of the Indian Constitution, secular character of the Indian Constitution, sovereignty, democratic and republic nature of the polity, separation of power between the legislation, judiciary and executive, unity and integrity of the nation, welfare state, rule of law, parliamentary system, effective access to justice, principle of reasonableness. Socialist is not part of the basic structure, so that's the case. First, second, fourth are correct there. Let's see the option there. Tibetan plateau is an example of which of the following? Tectonic plateau, that is correct. And intermount plateau. Intermount plateau is nothing but a type of a plateau in which in the north itself they have a mountain or a plateau type of a structure, or the hill you can say, and in the south also they are bounded by these type of a structure there, where we can say that intermount, they are circumvent with the hill structure above the plateau. So first and second are correct. Loess plateau is not a type of that are found in China. Let's see the third is not correct. Windy may blow alien deposit very fine article known as loess from its interior desert. So when there is a high wind, the small type of a sand dunes and the sand particle are blown off. So that type of a structure of the desert or the plateau is known as the loess plateau. From interior desert to the barren surface are commonly found there, and deposit from upon valley plain forming a loess plateau or a loess. So we can say that it is made up of a sand dunes, right? Tibetan plateau has been formed by the tectonic plate. Let's see, the first option is correct because tectonic plates are formed by the earth movement which causes uplift and normally of a considerable size. Tibetan plateau formed during the Himalayan region due to the collision of the Indo-Australian plate and the Eurasian plate. The upliftment of the Tibetan region occurred. Second is also be correct. When plateaux are enclosed between the fold mountain, they are known as intermount plateau. So remember this definition whenever the plateau is formed or the intermount or the enclosed between the two whole mountain, and in the, for example, in Tibetan plateau there is a Pamir mountain and there is a Himalayan mountain. That's why they are known as the intermount plateau. I think Colorado plateau also be the part of this intermount plateau, and that is there Bolivia plateau. Remember these two information also with this type of thing. Next is with reference to the religious text in India, the Uttradhyayana Sutra is belong to the Jainism. So first option is correct. Let's see, the teaching of the Mahavira were compiled by his disciple. These were often in the form of the stories which could appeal to the ordinary people, so that they can be engaged in a very much interesting way, and people are listening these things. So that is the main characteristic feature of any of the scripture that are formed or earlier writing, whether in the form of the kind of a story that give a special message to the people. Second is the prose and text in which the people can sing or sang these things. So this is the main principle of making this type of thing. Otherwise people are not engaged in these type of a talk. Uttradhyayana Sutra is one of the texts of Jain literature that was written in Prakrit and described how a queen named Kalmavati tried to pursue her husband to renounce the world. So that is the case there. Let's see the next question. Next question I think B. C is correct. Firoz Shah Mehta. Let's see. Born in 1945 in Bombay, he came under the Dadabhai Naoroji influence while studying laws in London. During the 1860s, he was one of the founders of the Bombay Presidency Association. From about the middle of the 1890s till the death of 1915, he was a dominant figure in the Indian National Congress. He was a powerful debater and also involved in the organizing the first walkout of the legislative history of India. So C is correct here. Let's see the explanation. Born in 1845 in Bombay, Firoz Shah Mehta came under Dadabhai Naoroji influence while studying laws in London. During the 1860s, he was one of the founders of the Bombay Presidency Association and was a prominent member of the INC. In the middle of the 1990s till his death of 1915, he was a dominant figure. I already talked about in 1901, a bill was brought in the Bombay legislative to take away the peasant right to ownership of land so that they can battering it away. When the government tried to push through this bill, despite opposition, Mehta with Gopal Krishna Gokhale, J.K. Parekh, Bal Chandra Krishna and D.A. Khare took the unprecedented step of organizing the first walkout in India's legislative history. So that is the important way, because now parliament, this type of walkout is very common, and because of the opposition and the type of government legislation that they are blocked in. So let's see them. Revisionary part of 2020, Ministry of Electronic and ITs, which type of a policy they are forming and what is it. For example, Arogya Setu, Ministry of Electronic and IT, might you can say contact tracing app amid COVID-19 pandemic, that is known as Arogya Setu, right, has successfully predicted a large number of potential COVID-19 hotspots. So that is the case. Next is the digital skilling initiative launched by the MIT and NASCOM in emerging technology to cover 7 lakh IT professionals in the next 5 years. DigiLocker, it is a type of Google Drive services in which you can share your document and whenever needed with the use of the internet you can access these things. So that is the case there. DigiLocker is a type of a Google Drive type of a services they are provided by the government, in which they are giving 1 GB of a space. Let's see the digital platform for the issuance and verification of document issued by government and private department achieved 5.19 crore registered cases or 426 crore document issued from 722 organization. National Center for Geoinformatics. What do you mean by the national? The national center is a type of a place there where people are meet for the type of agenda there. For geoinformatics, geo is related to the geography or the topography of the region, and informatics is the type of information of the geography, which type of a resource they are found. So National Center for the Geoinformatics as a geographical information system, GIS, type of platform, has completed our 550 project and for 29 central ministry, department and agencies and 19 state government and union territory. Next is the Umang app. Umang app is a unified platform aggregating 2084 major government services. So that is the center, state and local bodies. Next, the RAISE 2020, it is a type of and artificial intelligence type of a workshop that are organized by them. India's first global summit on artificial intelligence featured speakers from 21 countries with over 79,000 plus registered users from 147 countries are taking part, and is a type of artificial or ethical artificial intelligence that we are using for the human centric way of approaching, so that we cannot even become the slave of the artificial intelligence because of the capability that they have. Next is the Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizer. Okay, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, it is going to be very important at the launch in 2014. National mission to ensure access to financial service, example saving account, insurance, pension, etc. Registered 41.49 crore beneficiaries. Let's see the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizer also. National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority, it is in news because of the type of drugs that are helpful in reducing the COVID-19 things. So that's why they giving and guidelines how we can price these things in a very affordable so that people can be purchased it. It is a type of independent regulator for pricing of the drugs, took measures like fixing the ceiling and the retail price of the drugs to ensure accessibility of medicine at the affordable cost. That is in the wake of COVID-19. So that's why it is in news. Let's see the next news is related to this ministry itself. Setting up of 6 plastic parks, so that is going to be very important in the country. For example, Assam, Madhya Pradesh, 2 parks, Odisha and Tamil Nadu, Jharkhand, to synergize the capacities of the domestic and downstream plastic processing industries, because plastic is not good for the health, and it is going to be very important to ensure the public health so that we can degrade these plastic and we can use the bioplastic that can be degradable or easily degradable. Next is the Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Yojana, PM BJP, during COVID-19 crisis ensured uninterrupted availability of essential medicine at affordable prices. That is the main aim there, and that's why it is in news. Next is the production linked scheme. See, this is things that are covered in the November Vision IAS November magazine, so you can refer it. Production linked incentivized scheme loans for the promotion of the domestic manufacturing of 41 identified bulk drugs, so that we can reduce their high import dependency on China. So that is the main goal there. Next, the Ministry of Earth Science. Let's see. Flash flood guidance services. It is a type of robot designed to provide a real-time warning in advance for the flash flood What do you mean by the flash flood? Flash flood is nothing but a type of a flood which is not a natural, but because of the anthropogenic activities of the global temperature increasing. Because of all these factors, the flash is coming in a very speedy manner and a very we could not predict basically. It is a type of robust system designed to provide a real-time warning in advance for the flash flood. South Asian countries, for example India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka, we can use it. Certificate of the recognition and appreciation received for the tidal tsunami ready by the Intergovernmental Oceanography Commission, UNESCO. So that is also be important. There next is the Digital Ocean, a type of an innovative web application project so that we can manage ocean data. A coastal water quality index map for the Andhra Pradesh coast, high flow of Mumbai, and integrated flood warning system for Mumbai. So that is the case there. Let's see the next thing. Okay, today's news of 8th January 2021. 7th Trade Policy Review of India at the WTO begins. So that is the case there. Minimum spot price MSP better than the loan waiver by MS Swaminathan has said these things. India's 2% equalization levy discriminated unilateral. USA Trade is saying these things. So that is the type of a tax we are imposed on the electronic services. For example, the Google, YouTube and various advertisement services that are given by the web-based services. Next, the Antarctica ozone hole, one of the largest, deepest, closest are found because of the great winter they are found in, and the stratospheric and type of a situation is made. Next, the India aided 1600 tech startup 12 unicorn in 2020 NASSCOM report. What is it? Let's see the thing. According to a report, India tech startup base continue to expand steadily at 8 to 10% year-on-year growth. It is a quite good and a record number for 12 new unicorn, highest ever added in the single calendar year. What is a unicorn? A unicorn is a startup that reached a valuation of at least 1 billion people or the 1 billion rupee of this type of a startup. COVID-19 has accelerated digital adoption in which we are creating new opportunities for the startup, especially in education, tech and enterprises and healthcare services that we can provide for the people in an online way and a very affordable way. Core growth drivers are digital acceleration, shifted to software of a service-based solution, moving from offline to online. That is quite trending. We can see these things, and vocal for local wide market also remote. Okay, you can see there. Also, the news India-France strategic dialogue are held. India chair 3 key subsidiary bodies of the United Nations Security Council. That is going to be very important. For example, Counter-Terrorism Committee, Taliban Sanction Committee, Libya Sanction Committee. Next is the FAO Food Price Index is given, and they are rising basically. New industrial development scheme for the Jammu and Kashmir and self-help group are the news. You know very well what to mean by self-help group. By 97th Constitution Amendment of 1997, 2011, they are brought by the government in 2011. Air pollution leads to increased risk of the pregnancy loss. Lancet report that is important, quite important. You can read it from there. World first double stack long haul container train are started. Let's see the today's words going to be very important. Do focus on audience you know very well, a type of a member that are listening to a type of a lecture there. Next is the altruist is a type of a who consider the happiness and well-being of the other first. So atheist is a person who does not believe in the good. Anthropologist is nothing who study the evolution of the mankind, how man is evolved. Autocracy means the person or government by one person. For example, the North Korea. You can see autobiography. For example, the wings of the APJ Abdul Kalam. Amputee is nothing but a type of a body part that is mutated. Mutated means it is cut, basically cut off a part of the person body which is infected. Arsenal is a type of ammunition related to the military supplies. Next, the archive is nothing but a type of a document that is of earlier important but now it is not important. It can be a type of a reference services that can be provided. Let's say a place where government or a public record are kept, right? Next is the amateur is a type of a man who does things for pleasure and not as a professional, so that is the amateur. Next is the aristocracy is a government by the nobles. Aquatic, you know very well. Amphibian, you know very well. Then is ambidextrous, one who can use either hand very carefully with easiness. Next, the alimony, a type of dowry given to the person. Next is anthology is a collection of the poem. Abdication, voluntary giving of the throne in favor of the someone. For example, abdiction, you can say you can take the example of the Bharat who gave the thrown to the Ram's foot when he go to the exile. He went to the exile basically. Astronomer, you know very well. Astrologer, very influenced person. Anthology, or collection of poem. I already talked about. Axiom, a statement which is accepted as true without a proof. That is the axiom that is commonly used in mathematics. Next is the agenda, a list of a heading of the business. Next is the anarchist. I already talked about. Almanac, an unusual calendar with the position of a star. Then is a bigamy basically the practice of having two wives or two husbands at a time. So next is the bibliophily. Whenever you read any book, the last page of where the content is taken from, that is the bibliophile, a lover and collector of the books. Okay. Bouquet, a collection of the flower. Bureaucracy, governed by the official. Belligerent, a person, nation that is involved in the war. Belligerent. That's the next thing. Curator, a person in charge of a museum. Carnivores, cannibal. Contemporaries, cloakroom, a place for luggage at the railway station. That is the cloakroom, जहाँ पे आप अपना सामान रख सकते हैं रेलवे स्टेशन पे, उसको हम क्लोक रूम के नाम से जानते हैं. Cynosure, the center of attraction. Next the connoisseur, a type of a critical judge of any art and craft. It means that if things is bad, you can give a type of a criticism to them, and if things is good, it give a positive thing, and if there can be improvement, that constructive criticism is given. Connoisseur is the type of a person who has a very professional and very much is news knowledge they have. Next is the cartographist, is nothing but a person who is bad in spelling. Cocographist, then is a calligraphist, a person who writes beautifully handwriting. Cynic is the type of a person who sneer at the aims and belief of his fellow men. Convalescent, one who is covering health. Cavalry is soldier who fight on a horseback. Cardiologist, a person who is a specialist in heart disease. Cartographer, one who draws map. Dormitory, the sleeping room with high. Again repeat this slide because quite important. For example, calligrapher is a person who is bad in spelling. Calligrapher is a person who writes beautiful handwriting. Cynic, a type of a person that has completely focused their aim. Cynic, a type of a chalupan, you can say. Convalescent, one is recovering from the health. Convalescent, and that is the news because the plasma therapy and plasma convalescence technique, in which the healthy people and who recovered from the COVID-19 give the plasma to the other person so that he can give to the antibodies that are contained in the blood of that person, so that other person also be correct, or be healthy. Cavalry and cardiologist. Cartographer is nothing but who draws map. Dormitory, a type of a sleeping room. एपिटैम, एफिर्मर, ये सारे इंपॉर्टेंट है यार. जस्ट अ मिनट. ओके. एलिगी, a poem or a okay. Epitaph, word which are inscribed on the grave of a tomb. For example, Humayun tomb, you can take the example. Ephemeral, a type of a lasting, a type of a things that is have a very short time duration of life. Next, the effeminate, a person who is a woman. It means that they have a woman like behavior or a likeliness towards them. Immigrant, a person who leave his own country and goes to live in other country. Edible is nothing but a type fit to be eaten. Next, the egoism, a person who talk about themselves, that is known as the egotism, in which he is a self-centered, you can say. Encyclopedia, book that contain the information of various subjects. Epicure, one who is devoted to the pleasure of eating and drinking. I think I am the epicure person. Florist, one who deals in a flower, so that is the florist. Fastidious is nothing but a type of a stubborn type of behavior, in which he is a kind of person which is not able to easily be influenced by other people. One who is very selective in one's taste, a type of fastidious, that is the good word basically. Next, the fanatic or a bigot, a type of a person who is very who is filled with the excessive and mistaken enthusiasm in a religious matter. For example, bigotry, there is a news that the Hinduism bigotry arisen rise against the Islam. Next, the fatalism, nothing but a type of a causing death. Fatalist, one who deserve in a fate and who believes in a fate basically. Facsimile, an act of the copy of the handwriting and a printing. Facsimile. So chalo, I gave you one word and you have to write, that is the epicure, in the comment section. Do write this word. Next, today we are discussing about the Finance Commission and UPSC. UPSC chairman and a maximum of 10 members is there. That he is appointed by the president. There is not a single selection panel. The tenure of this group of the UPSC, that is 6 or 65 year. Service condition is determined by the president, and okay, removal is done by the president basically, but there is a kind of a misbehavior or a insolvency, but that is type of inquiry is done by the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court जो decision is binding if the person of UPSC is included in the engaged in the misbehavior or incapacity type of a thing, and report submission is given to the president, and reappointment is not eligible. He is charged from the Consolidated Fund of India. Next, the Finance Commission chairman is there, and 4 other members also found appointed by the president. There is not a type of any selection panel there. Tenure specify the president. Service condition by president, and the same condition of UPSC is removal is not done actually. There is not a type of condition is given. Report submission is done by the president. Next, reappointment can be eligible, and they are not charged or in charge. That is not a thing that given in the constitution. By this we are ending the session. Hope you like the video.